Today we're looking at a certified 2016 Honda CRV LX. It's got 27,000 miles on it. It's crystal black pearl in color. It's got a clean Carfax, just one owner. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the nice chrome around the windows. Driver's side of the CRV is in great shape. Alright, it is equipped with a backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape here as well. Exterior of the CRV is fantastic. 2016, 27,000 miles on it. Certified, clean Carfax, one owner. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat looks good. Got two keyless entry key fobs. All right. Center armrest right here has got your USB port, power outlet, and auxiliary port. Passenger seat cloth looks good. No issues at all there. Got another power outlet here. It is an automatic. Got your climate control area, AM, FM, CD player. All right, it's going to have your radio display right there with the backup camera as well. We'll show you that in just a second. Does have your steering wheel radio controls and Bluetooth. And then over here, okay, it's got 26,250 miles on it. All right, now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your display up here. All right, it's got your coordinates, time of day, radio station, average fuel, the range. All right, I'm going to engage the backup camera. All right, let me dim that down for you just a sec. There you go. It's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. Once again, we got the AM, FM, CD player. Got your climate control lit up down here. AC's blowing nice and cold. No issues there at all. All right, let's go ahead and step and take a look at the back seat. All right, door panels back here look good. Carpet in the back seat's nice and clean. No issues at all. Back seat cloth's in great shape. Interior of this CRV well taken care of. Got the center armrest with the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, carpet back here nice and clean. Got your little cargo net right here. Lift this up, got your spare tire and jack under here. Okay, and all the CRVs have these handles here. You simply pull the handle. It's going to drop your seats down. Same thing over here. All right, and then you can see just how much space it opens up back here. Ton of room. All right, and these seats are light, but they're very durable. Easy to get back up. You simply just push them up, and they'll click back into place like so. Same thing on the other side here. You just simply lift and put the seat down and you're ready to move on. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 16-inch styled steel wheels. Okay. Tires are still in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2016 CRV LX, 27,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, just one owner. This thing's in phenomenal shape inside and out. It's priced right, priced to sell. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.